Hello, good evening. My name is Rokle Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. So today's date is 9 July 2021. Our Viva topic is polymorphisms. So polymorphism is the concept of OOPs. So we are uh, we are discussing about the OOPs before going to uh, polymorphisms. So OOPs. What is OOPS? OOPS means object oriented programming. So there are various OOPS concept including various various pillars in OOPS concept. So firstly class, then objects, class objects, and then abstraction abstraction, polymorphisms, uh, and encapsulations. So we have discussed about the polymorphisms. So what is mean by polymorphisms? So polymorphisms is denoted by separation two words. So two Greek words. So firstly poly means many and morphs means forms. So it means many forms is the actual meaning polymorphisms. So polymorphisms is mostly used in Java language, and as well as it is included in OOPS concept. So we have discussed about the polymorphisms. So there are various example in polymorphisms. Suppose for example water. So water is a fixed to it is many forms. Suppose we are various forms, solid, liquid and gas. So it is a polymorphisms. It is an example of polymorphisms. So second upon shapes means there are including various shapes. Suppose rectangle shapes, triangle shapes, star shapes, circle. It is a various types of shapes including shapes. So it is an example of polymorphisms. So next upon sound. So sound is a main sound is a there are various forms in sound. So we are suppose we have example of dog, lion and cat. So dog sound is a it is a barking in the barking there barking, and then lion is a roar. Lion sound is a roar, and cat is a. So there are the various types of example of polymorphisms. So there are two types of polymorphisms. Firstly runtime polymorphism, dynamic type polymorphisms, and then runtime polymorphisms and compile time polymorphisms. So runtime polymorphisms is also known as static polymorphisms, and dynamic sorry and compile time polymorphism is also known as dynamic polymorphisms. So it is including method overriding and method it is also including in method overriding and method overloading. So what is mean by method overloading? So method overloading, we have create the class name, we have create the class, and we have create the two methods to the same class, same name, but different arguments. So different arguments is depends upon you. We have type to various types of arguments. Suppose we have type to firstly we have type to which types of arguments, which names of arguments. It is including method overloading, and then method overriding. We have create the two methods. It has name same, but same name but different same names but different class and different arguments, same arguments. So same arguments means we have depends upon you. We have put the values in type of which type of argument, name of argument, it depends upon you. So it is the method overriding. So there are various example of runtime polymorphisms. So we have created the class as a bank. Suppose we have class create as a bank, it includes in various banks, suppose State Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. It is a various types of banks. So it's a example like its rate of interest, it's suppose SBI rate of interest is 7.8, ICICI HDFC rate of interest 9.8, and Maharashtra Bank rate of interest is to 9.3. So different rate of interest including your bank class. So it is a runtime method, runtime polymorphism is in Java. So it is a various types of example in polymorphisms in Java. Polymorphism is an advantage and disadvantage of polymorphisms. Advantage of polymorphisms: it is a reusability of code, and it is easy to handle the programmer. It is easy to handle to run the program, write the program, and to execute the program easily by using the polymorphisms. So it is all over about the polymorphism concept. It is a including OOPS concept. There are various pillars in OOPS are including polymorphisms. So thank you so much.